With the blessings of our Acharyas only, we are able to discuss some of the verses from Viveka Chudamani, the text that was given to us by Adi Shankara. We are now going to discuss verse number 95. After giving us brief introduction about our physical body, its composition, and various subtler aspects of the physical body such as Manas, Buddhi, Ego and Chitta, Adi Shankara moves on to verse number 95 to talk to us about the 5 pranas. These 5 pranas are one and the same. Prana becomes prana, apana, vyana, udana and samana according to its functions, like gold and water. Why is he connecting these with gold and water? We will see at the end of this verse. Prana is very often misunderstood as breath. In philosophical terminology, prana stands for the manifested life energy which expresses itself in the various physiological functions such as in perception it is prana, in excretion it is apana, in digestion it is vyana, in circulation it is samana, in thinking it is udana. All these names are for the same vital energy of life only. Prana layer is that which holds the gross physical body and the inner subtle body together. Some philosophers say they belong to gross body and some say they belong to the subtle body. Both can be considered right. In the beginning of the verse, we talked about gold and water. What is the connection? We will see now. Just as the same gold is called bangle, chain, earring, etc., depending upon its function, and the same water as ice, steam, foam, bubble, etc., so too the same life is called by different names according to its manifestation in the world. This much about 5 pranas. We will look into more details in the coming episodes.